shot your collection last Thursday. It's still not on your website. How many sales did that silence cost you? Every day a piece sits photographed but unlisted. It's not inventory. It's money quietly rotting on the shelf. Picture shooting a 30-piece collection shoot on your counter before lunch. Every listing live on Shopify before you lock up. The GemLightbox Mini makes your phone the only tool you need. At GemIQ, we've built the GemLightbox Mini so you can capture a photo, generate the description, and publish straight to Shopify, Instagram, or send a professional branded link. All from the phone, already in your hand. No resizing, no retouching, no waiting on anyone. Everything you need is in the box. You started this business to create and sell beautiful pieces, not to lose entire weekends wrestling photos, while your competitors' feeds stay fresh. Tap the link to stop your collection from gathering dust.